Hello, and welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly.
Hello everybody, welcome back to our virtual special assemblies. We miss you all and we hope you're keeping well and safe at home. Thank you so much to all of our parents and carers who are working so hard at home to help their children with their online learning. This is much appreciated and we have loved to see all of the great work that you have been doing on Purple Mash. And also well done to all of the children at school because you have been working very hard too. I will now announce my nominations for nursery class this week. My first nomination goes to Yahya for a great piece of maths work. You completed all of the big and small challenges at home. Well done. And my second nomination goes to Manara. You completed a great reading challenge on Jack and the Beanstalk and you got all of the answers right, which shows you have a great understanding of the story. Well done to you and well done to all of the nursery children. You're working really, really hard. And now over to reception class.
Hello, butterfly class. I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to say thank you so much to everyone for all the hard work you're doing with your home learning. You're all doing some really, really amazing work and I'm so proud of you all. But this week, I would like to nominate Valeria for having a positive attitude towards learning and being so dedicated to your online work. Keep it up, Valeria. I would also like to nominate Yumna. I'm so pleased to see how hard Yumna is working at home. This week we are reading Goldilocks and the Three Bears and one of the challenges was to make porridge. Yumna completed this challenge successfully and made some yummy porridge. Well done, Yumna.
Hello from Mrs. Khan. Hope you're all well. Hope you're all keeping safe. Our significant achievements in year one will be going to Benaya. Benaya, I'm so impressed with the way you've been engaging on Purple Mash and the level of output. So very well done. In particular, your story plan using the Story Mountain and your illustrations were amazing. You did them in the style of John Bergerman after reading the story Everybody Worries. So I hope you enjoyed reading that. And please keep up the good work. Our next certificate will be going to Daniel. Daniel, well done. You've worked so hard on our science project, which is all about polar explorers in the Arctic. You've enjoyed watching the video and you've also been mesmerized, as your mummy has told me, about the aurora borealis. You've created a really wonderful poster and you also did the experiment about the gloves, which type of material was waterproof. So keep up the good work and take care and look after yourselves.
Hello Year 2, I hope you've had a good week. I'm sorry we're not back at school yet, but I hope you're well with your families. For today's special assembly, I would like to nominate two people. First person I'd like to nominate is Peter. Peter, you have been working so hard at home. I've seen videos you've done of you singing poetry. I've seen some fantastic work you've been doing with your maths. I've been so pleased and it's been lovely to see you visit the library. So well done for you. The second person I would like to nominate is Goffran. Goffran, you have also been working incredibly hard. I love the fact that you have been doing some things with your brothers, with objects around your house, with maths, and I can see that you are learning so much. So well done to both of you. Keep up the good work, and to the rest of year 2, I've also noticed you've been working hard. I would love to see more of your work because I really enjoy it and it makes my day. Keep up the good work and see you soon.
Morning St Paul's, welcome to our first special assembly this term. I hope that you are well and keeping safe. Thank you to all the children in year 3 for sending in their work on Purple Mash. Please keep doing it and sending it through. It's so hard to choose children for special achievement certificates because everyone's doing so well. So the two children I have chosen this week are Lacey May, who you have written a lovely description of how light travels, which is our work on science this term. So thank you for sending that through. And for Rija for writing a prediction on the on our first unit for literacy.
Hello Year 4, Mr. John here. Just a quick video to say hello and say well done for all your fantastic work on Purple Mash. You've all been sending in really amazing pieces of work. Please keep it up. It's great seeing how well you are all doing. I hope you're all keeping safe as well. As it is Celebration Assembly, there's 2 children in particular I would like to mention for their fantastic work on Purple Mash, and those are Rafaela and Diart. Both of you are submitting excellent pieces of work. You're sending in all pieces that I have set. So well done on that. Keep up the hard work and see you all soon. Goodbye.
Thank you, Mr. John. Hello, Year 5. I have to say, it's been so wonderful communicating with you all on Purple Mash. I've been nothing but impressed with all of your hard work, and I cannot wait to get back into school with you all, and especially our new students, who I can't wait to have there too. So this week's significant achievements are going to be for Ariane and for Leah, because you've both been applying yourselves so well to your Purple Mash work and any other tasks away from Purple Mash. You've been learning your poems, you've been working really hard in your maths, and I've been so impressed. Keep it up, and the rest of Year 5, keep it up too. I can't wait to see what you do in the next week. Over to Mr. Bowflower.
Thank you very much, Miss O'Reilly. Hello, Year 6. I hope you're all well. I hope you're working hard and staying safe. Very important. So, my 2 nominations for this week are, and it was a really tough choice. So the first person is Mohammed Faragoni. Well done, Mohammed. Mohammed has been working incredibly hard, uploading all of his work for me so I can see it and mark it. He's written some really interesting poems with personification, and he's worked really hard on his maths and done all of his tasks. So well done, Mohammed. Keep it up. And the next person I want to give the award to is Amelia. Amelia, you've also been not only sending me really kind, positive messages when you hand in your work, but you've also been working extremely hard, and again, sending me evidence of what you've been doing and telling me when you're finding something tricky. But it's been great interacting with you this week and seeing all the hard work you've been doing. So thank you very much. And to everybody else, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye. And that's ciao for now. Goodbye.